This is a 15-footer bait. Yeah. That's a little storage right there. There's a little table like ours, and the grill was a cast iron, outdoor shower. I think that might be the bathroom flush. I'm not sure, or the antifreeze inlet. Rockwood G15FD front dinette. This thing has everything you need. 30 amp connection. Your black and gray water connection. Your Lippard on the go ladder. Telescopic. That's where your furnace is at, your low point drains, and your down here is where your stinky slinky thing goes, and your fresh water. And again, that's where your low point drains are. And that's how your stabilizers look. New version of them. Nothing's really automatic in here, so alright, let's take a look. It's a Murphy bed type setup. This has a huge shower. Oh look, they even has this thing so you can put some stuff in when you're not using the shower. So that's actually nice. That's real nice. You can put a lot of stuff in there. Regular curtain, shower miser, and that is the kitchen right here. Stove, power tower, nice storage up here, both sides. And look at that quality. I'm always amazed with the Rockwood quality. Regular oven. We use our oven for storage too. Bread storage and other storage. Knife holder in the back. That's where I have all my utensils. So I took this out. And there you go. Counter space right there. Same size sink as ours. They have a little thing there. Make sure. And of course, this is a dinette. And then your Murphy bed. Let's check out the Murphy bed operation. There you go. Did you guys see that? I gotta do is pull it back. And I think it goes in automatic. Oh, I like that. Well, let me see the storage on top. Kind of like ours. And our G20 FPS. Plenty of room. Of course, it's a east-west bed, but it's fine. You got some storage down there. Not really storage, but that's where your table goes down. Yeah. You got two fire exits, one there and one over here. Good. And your small little front window. Alright, check out the bathroom. It's just a mirror. And this is your sink. And if you can brush your teeth, or you can do it right here at the sink. Doesn't make a difference, but at least they give you something. And there it goes. And then when you get done, and you got some room here. It's going to be tight right by the wall there, as you can see. But you have a little cubby up here. And let me do this. You have a max air fan. I'm gonna say, seriously, if you were a hunter or outlet right there, or like the lady was saying, I didn't have the video rolling. She's just good for a couple too. Yeah, if you don't mind a lot of space, if you're tenors, you just wanted to get off the ground, this is perfect. Look at all that space down there, more than I have. This right here is pretty much the same as mine. And then I had the sink, and then the stove started right here. So it doesn't have a pantry, but it gives you more. They could have cut this in half and put a pantry, but I think I like this better. It would have been nice if it had a pantry in here. It really would be, but it would be tight. And then this is the same size refresh as mine. Yeah, it's just a newer version of it. Can opener, locking device, and then you have your regular microwave. And then let me check out. You're sitting on the bed. Oh yeah. I mean, if you had two in here, you'd be. The in between is wide enough for you to just turn and let them go out. Yeah. And there's an outlet right here too. Don't know where the TV goes. Let's see. There's a USB right there. I'm not sure what that bracket is up there is for. Oh, that's for keeping this. Oh, cool. They have two brackets. They have a bracket here that holds it down tightly. There you go. You can do it one-handed. Yeah. And then put up your dinette and you're good. Good for today. Unless you like taking a lot of naps, that might be annoying, putting everything back in and back out. And TV. Nice. Dry weight is under 3,000. The weight of cargo should not exceed 1348 on this, which is pretty good. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.